You're in the middle of cancer treatment and your skin feels dry, it feels super tight, and it just doesn't feel like you. But what if I told you there is something you can do? I'm Nancy Reagan, and in today's video, I will be sharing a chemo-safe routine that truly nourishes your skin from the outside in. So let's get started. You may think that you have to give up facials. You really don't. You just have to have the right kind. Oncology facials are designed to soothe compromised skin without triggering the skin or inflaming the skin. True oncology facials are rooted in real touch for the skin, barrier supports, and healing, soothing skincare. You're going to want to look for an oncology specially trained esthetician that uses products that have zero fragrance, no toxins, and no emulsifiers. You really want to be absolutely 100% sure that these are the products that are being used on your skin so that there's no reaction. And while you're going through the whole cancer care, your body is working hard and the lymphatic system is working hard to help you get better. So you really need to give it some love. Cancer care can really, truly overwhelm your lymphatic system. And this is the part where having someone who really understands lymphatic massage can help you, as long as you've gotten your doctor's approval, with making sure that you can drain that lymphatic so those toxins are getting out of your body. Manual lymphatic drainage can also help with puffiness. It can help also with draining the excess fluid, and it doesn't damage the skin or provide stress to the skin. This is another reminder. You want to ask your provider if manual lymphatic drainage is okay for you. And you definitely do not want anything that has a suction or that is going to provide like excess stimulation, because lymphatic drainage and massage is very, very light. And it's just moving around what I call the white rivers of the body. So it needs to move that liquid that's there, that's sitting there through the body, because there's no pumping system. So that's why you want the lymphatic to help move. But you need to ask your provider. Don't forget. Want to unlock the secret to youthful, glowing skin without the toxins? My free ebook, Discover the 5 Secrets of Gorgeous Skin Without the Toxins, reveals the essential skincare strategies you need to know, especially if you're over 40. Click the link below and grab your copy and start your journey to healthier, vibrant skin today. When you're undergoing cancer care, you don't need fancy machines or something that will stimulate your skin. Sometimes, honestly, less is more. Cool compresses, you want to make sure that you have gentle barrier cleansers, creams, oils, whatever that is. Make sure that it's super gentle without toxins. All of this with combined cool compresses can help provide immense relief. For example, you want panthenol, which is a vitamin B derivative that's going to help heal. Ceramides, which is the same fluid that is in your skin that is holding up the cell. It feels so nice and wonderful on the skin because it's truly healing to the skin. And each layer will start to feel a little bit better as you're going through your cancer care. If you are looking for a safe, non-toxic, fragrance-free program or skincare regimen that can really walk with you through your journey, you can definitely book below a one-on-one with me and we can have a consultation, or you can also take a peek at Skin Diva Labs and see if it's right for you. It was designed for cancer patients because we were looking to do oncology facials in the spa. So we truly understand the problems that you're encountering with your skin and cancer treatment. Okay, let's recap everything we've learned today. And that includes if you are going through your cancer care, you're going to be looking for oncology facials. You want someone who is certified in oncology care for the facials. So you're looking for an oncology trained esthetician. You're also looking for somebody who can do manual lymphatic drainage. You're also looking for products that can truly support the skin barrier. Have you tried any skincare during your treatment, or have you been too afraid to even start? Let me know in the comments below what you've been going through. And if there's something you want to ask, if I can help answer, let me know. I know that when I went through cancer treatment, I felt like everything was out of control. And the one thing I could control was what I was using for my skincare. Is that kind of how you feel? If the answer to that is yes, watch the next video coming up that is going to talk all about skin care ingredients that you can use and that will support the healing and hydration that you truly need. Click here and I will see you in the next video.